Let us start with the examples of the miscellaneous exercise. We have discussed only one question of that exercise. See the question number 5. We have to find the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line joining the point cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. Now let us take let A cos theta sin theta and B cos phi sin phi B given points. Therefore, equation of line through AB. Applying the 2-point formula, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 upon y minus y1 upon x minus x1. y2 is sin phi minus sin theta, cos phi minus cos theta, y minus sin theta upon x minus cos theta. It will be sin phi minus sin theta is given by 2 cos phi plus theta upon 2 cos phi minus theta upon 2 upon minus 2 sin phi plus theta upon 2, it is sin phi minus theta upon 2. Cancelling this, cancelling 2 from here. Okay, you can write it as minus cot theta plus phi upon 2 y minus sin theta x minus cos theta, or you can write minus x cos theta plus phi upon 2 minus cos theta cot theta plus phi upon 2 y minus sin theta, or minus x cot theta plus phi upon 2 minus y minus cos theta cot theta plus phi upon 2 plus sin theta is equal to 0. So, perpendicular distance of above line from origin, that is 0 0, is given by, place the value of x and y 0 and 0 here. It is 0 minus cos theta cot theta plus phi upon 2 upon square of cot theta plus phi upon 2 whole square minus 1 whole square in a mod. It will becomes cos theta cot theta plus phi upon 2. In the square root we get cot square theta plus phi upon 2 plus 1. Now 1 plus cot square theta is going to cosec square theta according to the identity. So it becomes cos theta cot theta plus phi upon 2 cosec square theta plus phi upon 2. You can write it as cos theta, cot is cos upon sin, 1 upon sin square. यह आ जाएगा cos theta plus phi upon 2 sin theta plus phi upon 2, because it is 1 cos upon sin, it is 1 upon sin square, cancelling one of the sin, taking sin to the numerator becomes cos into sin, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लेते हैं अगर तो 1 upon 2 cos theta cos 2 into cos theta plus phi upon 2 sin theta plus phi upon 2 1 upon 2 cos theta, it becomes sin 2 theta sin 2 theta plus phi upon 2. So cancelling 2 from here, half cos theta sin theta plus phi. फॉर्म डिफरेंट हो सकती है पीछे आंसर थोड़ी, ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग इफ़ यू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला अरेंज इट, तो फॉर्म डिफरेंट पीछे से की तरह आ भी सकती है, आप यहाँ तक छोड़ सकते हो उसको. सीधा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. You have to find the equation of line parallel to the y-axis. इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पैरेलल टू y-axis. अगर y-axis के पैरेलल है, इसका मतलब x-axis के परपेंडिकुलर है. फिर drawn through the point of intersection of the lines x minus y, 7y plus 5 and 3x plus y is equal to 0. तो पहले लिखेंगे इक्वेशन ऑफ गिवन लाइन्स आर, दे आर x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0, 3x plus y is equal to 0, or you can say y is equal to minus 3x. Solving this first and second, तो क्या आएगा x minus 7 minus 3x plus 5 0, x plus 21x is equal to 5, 22x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 22. Therefore, value of y is equal to minus 3 minus 5 upon 22, y is equal to 15 upon 22. Therefore, point of intersection क्या आ गया? Minus 5 upon 22. Now the required line passes through this point and parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis मतलब perpendicular to the x-axis. X-axis perpendicular to theta कितना हो गया? 90, tan 90. Now since required line is parallel to y-axis implies perpendicular to x-axis, it implies theta is equal to 90, it implies m is equal to tan theta, tan 90 is infinity. So equation of line is given by the slope point form, m is equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1, that is infinity is equal to y minus y1, y minus 15 upon 2, x plus 5 upon 22, or you can say 0 is equal to x plus 5 upon 22, y minus 15 upon 22, it is 0. So x plus 5 upon 22 is equal to 0 is required equation of line. See the question number 9. The question number 9, find the value of p so that the three lines 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, px plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y minus 3 0 may intersect at one point. If three or more than three lines intersect at one point, then they are known as a concurrent lines. तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा लाइनें अगर एक पॉइंट से पास करती हैं तो दे आर नोन एज अ concurrent lines. ठीक है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p here. For this, what we have to do are given equation of lines. Now solving first and third. First और third को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, और दूसरी का दे रखी है 2x minus y minus 3 0, और you can say 2x minus 3 is equal to y. So this is the first one, this is the third one. So using third and first substitution कर रहे हैं, तो 3x plus 2x minus 3 minus 2, 5x minus 5 0, x is equal to 1. तो बाय फर्स्ट और बाय थर्ड कह लो, कितना आ गया? 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to y. The value of y becomes here minus 1. Now point of intersection क्या आ रहा है? Point of intersection is 1 minus 1. Now since three lines intersect at a point, means the line also passes through this point satisfies the equation number 2. So by equation 2, Placing the value of x is 1 and y is minus 1. 3 into 1. 2 into minus 1. Minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 minus 3 is 0. 3 is equal to 5. This way we get the value of 5 here. So such type of questions are present in exercise. Try all the questions of exercise. I'll discuss much more questions, especially last questions of this exercise in the last in next lecture. Until then, thank you.